So it's less about stuffing keywords and more about understanding the person the AI is trying to help.
Precisely. If your product page just says best garden pruners, the AI might think, okay, but are they easy to use? Good for arthritis. If you haven't answered that, you might get overlooked.
Gotcha. So our job then, what we're trying to help you do here is figure out how to write those product listings, the social posts, even stuff for voice search. So it connects with real people, no matter their generation. If you speak their language and the AI can understand it, you're golden.
And that ties straight back into the connect part of our framework. Connect, captivate, convert. You have to know who you're talking to. What are they actually searching for? What are their worries, their struggles? Like we said, the boomer wants simple, easy to use. The Gen Zer might want aesthetic gardening tools trending on TikTok. Same product category, wildly different intent. You got to know that first.
That makes total sense. Nail the audience first. Okay, so once you know who you're talking to, how do you make sure your products actually will show up? How do you become AI shoppable? We've got this kind of checklist, yeah.
Cool.
And the first big one is structured data. Schema.org markup on your product pages. Sounds technical, but important.
Oh, beyond important. It's fundamental. Think of structured data as, like, the secret language your product uses to talk directly to the AI. It's giving the AI a perfectly formatted cheat sheet. Here's the product name, price, description, brand, image, reviews. Is it in stock? All of it. Honestly, if you skip this step, you risk being invisible in a whole lot of these new AI searches. It's that critical.
Wow, okay. So it's like making sure your product speaks AI.
Pretty much. And the good news is most e-commerce platforms, Shopify, WooCommerce, they have tools or apps to help with this. It's not like you need to become a coding expert overnight.
Okay, that's reassuring. What else is on this AI readiness list? It's not just the technical stuff, right?
Definitely not. Visuals are huge. You need high-quality product images. Crisp, clear, multiple angles, maybe lifestyle shots. Think at least 800 by 800 pixels. And your pricing, it has to be spot-on accurate. If the AI pulls your product, but the price is wrong or it's out of stock, that's a bad experience. It might just stop recommending you.
Right, you lose trust instantly. So good pictures, accurate price. What about the descriptions themselves? AI readability.
Yeah, and AI readability doesn't mean writing for robots. It means writing clearly, simply focusing on benefits in natural language. So instead of experience unparalleled sartorial elegance, maybe try stylish and comfortable dress shirt for work or weekends. AI understands the second one much better. It knows the use.